yeah, welcome back to the channel. We got the family out here. You know what I mean? They out here getting it in. She hot. But anyway, we about to finish up the chicken coop. You know what I'm saying? Put this hay down in here. Y'all don't just go to work real. And we also put an automatic door on there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get up sometime to open the door for the chicken. Hold on, let me get it going. We also putting this up there, y'all. You feel me? Let the chicken come in, come out. You feel what I'm saying? You're hungry, come eat. You feel what I'm saying? You're hungry, come see. So yeah. And we also gotta cut some. I gotta cut some vents in at the top right there of the coop right there. I gotta get the air circulating. So yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all along. Y'all stay tuned. You feel me? Today we're gonna mount this chicken door. Gotta keep all the chicks in. You feel what I'm saying? Bam, you feel me? Then it come with a solar panel, y'all. I ain't lying. So good, mama. Oh yeah. And I gotta get the screws on y'all. Chicken door is also a vent. You know what I'm saying? This right here, I'm gonna start my stairway out of the mansion. You feel me? Press the button for 3 seconds. I see it light up. It's dead. We gotta put the charge on it real quick, but we're gonna let the sun do that. You dig? But yeah, I'm gonna put some battery power to it and let y'all see the door come up and down off of it. You feel me?
This is the solar panel.
Damn. You know what I'm saying?
Just plug it in on the bottom.
As soon as we find the sun, y'all, you see it charging.
All right, y'all, we got the solar panel hooked up.
What she said.
Over here, on the corner right here.
Check it out.
Right there.
Come here. It's a $200,000 door. You know what I'm saying? You can't see it. It's a $200,000 door right here. Okay. What you do is automatically power on, boom, lights up for them. Hold it up, you know what I mean? Let me show you how to work it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look at them. Yeah. Come on out, chicken. I don't know if this is gonna bother it or not, bother the chicken, I don't know yet. We will see soon when I put them in and see what they do. But to close it down, we just, 1, 2, 3. Bam. Automatically.
Hold it 3 seconds to open, 3 seconds to close it until we set it up on the timer.
What I did, set it up on the timer, 6 a.m. when it gonna come open, 8 p.m. when it gonna close. They better get their butts in on fried chicken that night, I'm telling you. But yeah, man, it's something good to have that your chicken just come out there and do what they do, run around. You feel what I'm saying? They got all this to clean up. There's a lot of, you feel me? So, they got a lot of stuff to go and pick through, see what they want to eat. You know what I'm saying? A little bug. Sooner or later, y'all, I'm willing to bet y'all this is going to be dirt. They got a lot of space, y'all. You dig? We'll be back. We got to build the leg for it, the steps for the chicken to get up in there.
put a vent right there for some air circulation in.
I gotta put the feeder in the middle. We got them side. Then I gotta put a rooster right there up here for them to stand on. Yeah.
Alright, I'm putting a lock on here. Trying to get a lock on here. Alright, y'all, he had to move this lock up because it wasn't getting tight enough on here. But we also put just a piece of screw down here, right here, and here just wrap some wire around it, and that hold the door even tighter. So now what we're finna do is put a ledge off of this so it won't, the rainwater won't get down in between these cracks right here. We'll figure something else out.
Welcome to the humble.
Yeah, I don't know, it's a little dark in here. We just put the feeder in there.
Feeder.
And put the
rooster.
And the little rooster going across. We might add another one.
Alright. Feel if I like it.
That's it. All right, y'all. I guess that's it for the chicken coop meal.
But I might paint it. I might paint it. Probably red. Probably red or white. I don't know. I just know I need some chicken. So, thank y'all for checking out. It's right here. Family Homestead. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. Share it. You did. Yeah. Set your dream up together, then you grow together.